Okay, in this let me get real with you tutorial video. Today I'm going to disclose a new kind of feature release by the my funnel building platform. If you have been following me, right, I'm using this System IO. And now System IO allow us through this feature called MCP, right? You heard of API, right? So we have MCP and we can generate a password key on System IO, and after that get it over to your preferred, right, AI platform. For example, my favorite right now, which I'm using it to build all kinds of digital stuff, would be the Claude rather than the Chat GPT. However, this tutorial, through the steps, if you watch it, right, over and over again, the steps is very similar when you decided to connect, right, your System IO with ChatGPT as well. And for this example, I'm using Claude. So right now, let's flip over my camera to show you on my laptop the simple steps that how you can get it connected, and I will show you some examples of through that how the AI, your preferred AI tools, start building stuff for you on your funnel building platform. So here we go. Okay, right now what you are seeing right in front of you would be my System IO, right? Funnel building platform. And we will go to the settings, right? By going to this right up here. When you click on your profile picture after you have actually registered an account, then you go to settings, right? Settings here. Once you click settings, and it will show you on the left hand side of your dashboard, right, these various selections, and you can spot the MCP and API keys, right? Okay, right, let me blow this out for you to see clearer. Right, there you have it. Okay, okay, so follow my cursor, yeah, and then once you click on it, it will show you this, right? You will have two sections. One is the upper section is the API key. So for this tutorial, we are not touching on this part. Okay, you can create your own API keys to connect to, you know, all your other digital tools. And of course, we are going to learn how to generate the MCP keys. So it's also a form of like a password, okay, right? To communicate between, to allow communication between two digital tools. So I went on to create my Claude. As you can see, I name it Claude, and this is the key. So of course, yeah. But anyway, right, right. This is a whole long list of it. It's supposed to be, you know, confidential. Yeah. So take note of that. Right. Okay. So I will click on this create button, and it will allow me to actually name it, and also to what do you call that, they will generate you a random password key. Okay, so once you have that, right, there is over here a copy button, right, a copy button, right? Okay, so once we have done that, then now we can switch over our alternate tab to go over to my Claude, right? So right now I'm at Claude. Okay, can you see? Okay, now, when we are in Claude, right? So we will go over to customize. Okay. So which is on the left hand side, you click on the drop down window. You can see here Claude. Follow my cursor, please. Customize, Claude, customize. And once you click on this, it will go into this part whereby you will look for connectors. Okay, connectors under customize. So once you have you know come came into the window for connectors, right? Click on add, right? Add custom connectors. Okay, once you click it, okay, I will show you for demo purpose, and it will allow you to name your this AI tool. Then of course I have already created that, but for explanation purpose, I'll just go along with the flow. So I'll name it as Claude over here. Since I'm connecting it to Claude, you can name whatever you want. Okay, there's flexibility over there. Then once you have done that, right, you can copy from the I have shown you at the system IO site the password key together with the complete URL in front. Okay, this is what I meant. We can come back here. Yeah, this is the URL key. Can you see here? Right, this part. Copy the whole URL. Then behind here, over here, it says give you a hint, right? Then you will paste your this MCP key. Okay, let's go back here. So you paste the HTMS, right, link in front. Then after that, continue to copy and paste your MCP password key. So once you have done that, you click on this button. Add button will be lighted up, and you just go ahead and add it. It will go on to go for connection to your system IO. As you can see here on my list, right, I have that connected already. So then next, after we have learned how to connect this, we're using the MCP password key method, right, between your AI tools and system IO. Let me demonstrate to you now, right? So we'll close this, that the work that can be done using your AI tools with your funnel building platform. Okay, I believe any established funnel building platform will allow you to connect your preferred AI tools, to let your AI tools, right? The exciting part is to let your AI tools, right, to, for example, start building your funnel, your website on your behalf, right? Basically, there's no longer need for you to copy from here the AI over and paste, like create a code, and then like I have done previous tutorial on that, right? So you can go and check it out in my feed. So now the thing here is that now you don't have to everything. You give it a prompt, it will go ahead and do it for you. So this is an example, right? I have given it a prompt, and it has done it for me, right? Let me show you. Yeah. Okay, I have it has the my AI has asked me for the links that lead to my other digital product offer. So after giving it, right, it has gone on to create the funnel. Can you see the funnel is created, right? So let's go back to the my system IO. So, and then let me show you the amazing part. And while I'm clicking on this, right, I also want to inform you that they can also do emails for you. So let me show you quickly, right, the funnel that is created over here. So can you see this is created by my Claude by just giving a prompt. And let me show you how amazing the work that is done in just a matter of, in fact, in seconds. Okay, this is what it has done for me. Okay, let me show you the other one, the emails. Okay, it can also access your email. So these two newsletter